Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here 2018 Commerce Pass question. Question number 42 says the provision of scholarship by a firm to needy students is part of its dash. That is, this responsibility that firm play in giving out scholarship to needy students in the community where that firm is institutionalized. It is under which of its responsibility or its documents or list? Option A, political responsibility; B, economic responsibility; C, social responsibility; D, legal responsibility. The correct option here is option C, which is social responsibility, because when we talk of social, the word social is related to society. So in a nutshell, it's like giving back to the society, and by definition, social responsibility is a community or societal services rendered by companies or firms to the needy members of the society. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly ensure to subscribe for more of our videos.